Chapter 8, Inheritance and Polymorphism. Part 2, Super. This is how children call their parents in Java. Now let's start declaring the super and subclasses. Here is how you form a parent-child or superclass-subclass relationships. In the subclass, put extends, then the superclass name in the class declaration. Apply this to our program. The subclass bicycle extends the superclass vehicle. Now the two classes are connected as superclass and subclass. Now that the class declaration is done, let's look at the constructors. The child class constructor always calls its parent constructor first by calling super. When bicycle object myBike is instantiated, the bicycle constructor first calls the parent constructor to build its foundation, then builds rest of its specific parts. For no argument constructor, there is no need to explicitly call super. There is an implicit call to super. Note that all child constructors must first build the parent part by calling super. So make sure to put super as the first line in the constructor body or else you'll get an error.